In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Hostinger hosting step by step, whether you're launching your first website or managing an existing one. We'll go through logging into your dashboard, creating a website, uploading your files, and connecting your domain to make everything live. By the end of this video, you'll fully understand how to navigate Hostinger and confidently manage your site. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Click on Login at the top right corner and enter your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Hostinger dashboard, also known as hPanel. This is where you manage everything related to your hosting, including websites, domains, files, emails, and more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout because this is your main control center. To create or add a website, click on Websites from the top menu, then select Add Website. Hostinger will now give you a few options. You can choose to create a website using the Hostinger Website Builder, install WordPress, or set up an empty website if you want to upload custom files manually. If you're a beginner, WordPress is usually the easiest option. If you already have coded files like HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, you can choose the empty website option. Follow the setup instructions based on the option you selected. For example, if you choose WordPress, you'll enter your site title, admin email, username, and password. Once the installation is complete, your website will be created and linked to your hosting account. Now that your site is created, let's look at how to upload your own website files manually. Go back to your dashboard and click on Websites, then select Manage next to the site you just created. Inside the Management area, find and click on Files, then open File Manager. This tool allows you to directly access your hosting storage without needing any extra software. Inside File Manager, you'll see different folders. The most important one is called public_HTML. This is the root directory of your website. Any files you want to be visible on your live site must be uploaded into the public_HTML folder. Double-click to open it. To upload files, click the Upload button at the top of the File Manager. You can either drag and drop your website files or select them from your computer. If you have a zipped folder, you can upload the zip file first, then right-click and extract it directly inside public_HTML. Make sure your main file is named index.html or index.php because this is the default file that loads when someone visits your domain. After uploading your files, you can check that everything works by clicking your temporary domain or assigned URL. If your files are correctly placed inside public_HTML, your website should load immediately. The final step is connecting your domain to make your website fully live. If you purchased your domain through Hostinger, it may already be connected automatically. If not, go to the Domain section in your dashboard and either transfer your domain or update your domain's name servers to point to Hostinger. You'll find the correct name server details inside your hosting account. Once you upload the name servers at your domain registrar, it can take a few hours for DNS changes to fully propagate. After the domain is connected and DNS propagation is complete, your website will be accessible worldwide using your custom domain name. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Hostinger hosting, from logging in and creating a website to uploading files and connecting your domain. As you can see, Hostinger makes the process beginner-friendly while still giving you full control of your site. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more website and hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.